Compare before and after editing correction. Due to installation errors of the machine, causing misalignment or overlap during splicing, it can be manually compensated through correction software. The processing area of the galvanometer is set to be larger. The smaller the error of splicing after the correction table is adjusted. Click on the horizontal line. The horizontal line is generated according to the position of the galvanometer. Set cutting parameters. Click on regular cutting. Move the lens to the splicing position. Measure the gap between two lines X. Translating the selected point is to make fine adjustments to a single point. A parallelogram is an angle adjustment made to the overall correction table in terms of up, down, left, and right. Overall scaling is the process of shrinking and expanding the entire correction table. Move the camera up and down to observe if there is any misalignment. Select the overall scaling x-axis. Positive numbers indicate the overall outward expansion. Negative numbers mean shrinking inward. Input the measured value. Click the Enter key on the keyboard. Click to save the correction parameters. Move the galvanometer to other positions. Regenerate the horizontal line. Click on regular cutting. The x-axis clearance has been compensated for. There is a noticeable misalignment at the joint when looking up and down. When a positive number is input on the y-axis of a parallelogram, the left side is upward, right down. Negative numbers are the opposite. Enter the measured value. Click Enter. Click to save the correction parameters. Generate a new horizontal line and click on Normal Cut. The clearance and misalignment of the x-axis have been compensated for. Click on the vertical line. The vertical line is automatically generated according to the position of the galvanometer. Click on regular cutting. There are misalignment and gaps at the joints of the y-axis. Scale the lines and eliminate gaps. Enter the measured value. Click Enter. Click to save the correction parameters. Regenerate the vertical line. Click on regular cutting. Observe that there is only misalignment at the y-axis joint. Select the x-axis of the parallelogram. Input the measured value. Click Enter. Click to save the correction parameters. Regenerate the vertical line. Click on regular grid cutting. The gap and misalignment at the y-axis joint have been compensated by the misalignment meter. Manual compensation can improve the accuracy of processing, make the processing effect better.